Walmart Family Mobile fully supports eSIM technology as of late 2023. This means you can activate your service digitally without a physical SIM card. It's available nationwide wherever Walmart Family Mobile operates, covering over 99% of the U.S. population via Verizon's towers. To use eSIM, you'll need a compatible device, an active Walmart Family Mobile plan, and the Walmart app. Simply select Activate eSIM, scan the QR code provided, and follow the on-screen prompts. The process usually takes 5 to 10 minutes with a stable internet connection. eSIM compatibility depends on the device. For iOS devices, iPhone XS, XR, and later models are supported, along with recent iPads that have cellular capabilities. On Android, compatible devices include select Samsung Galaxy S21 and newer models, Google Pixel 4 and later, and Motorola Edge series. Check Walmart's website for the complete list. Looking ahead, eSIM adoption is growing rapidly and is expected to dominate smartphone activations worldwide. Walmart Family Mobile may expand eSIM support to wearables and potentially offer international roaming in the future. This aligns with trends towards digital connectivity and sustainability by reducing e-waste.